Welcome to Dynatronic. Alright, so you would like to know how to make the Great British Yorkshire. First, you need your muffin tray. Place some vegetable oil into your muffin tray. And now, what you want to do is place your cooker onto gas mark 7, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees centigrade, or if it's fan assisted, 200 degrees, and allow it to preheat for about 20 minutes with the tray inside the oven so the oil gets nice and hot. You need to get your flour, your milk, and your eggs, and get this mixed up. Just pour it all in and start whisking. And it should end up looking like this, nice and thick. Although this might actually be a little bit too thick, so if it is a little bit too thick, just add a little bit extra milk. So I'm just going to add a tiny bit more. Just so it's not as thick. Perfect. Done. Now what you want to do is, the longer you let this rest, the better. Usually they tell you to place it into a fridge for 24 hours until the day after. So if you're going to make your Sunday dinner, it's probably best to make this the night before. So while the cooker's preheating, I'm just going to put some cling film on. And just leave it to rest. Feels nice and hot. You want to get your batter mix and get it straight into the oven as quick as possible. And once you've put it in, you want to leave it in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. So obviously now that it's in, leave it in for about 45 minutes to an hour.